Hello those, welcome back. Into this video we're going to be testing the Essence Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. This is supposed to be waterproof. The claim for this says it is 1.5 mm slim tip. Don't know if you can see that right there. It's right there. Anyways, we're going to be putting this to test. If you're interested to know what my opinion is on this eyebrow pencil, then keep on watching. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have any spoolie. Just comes out like that. Straight away, one thing I don't like about this is because there is no spoolie. I don't like that. All brow pencils should have spoolie. Now we're going to brush our brows hairs upwards. This is in the shade 03 Dark Brown. Just applying this in a hair stroke like, following the shape of my brow hairs. It looks good. It looks really good. And the tip is very small. You can see that, guys. And it fits in between your hairs. So we're just going to repeat the same step on this other eyes. Guys, this doesn't even last. Like, as you're applying it, it's just reducing. Anyway, it's affordable. I think this is about £2 stuff or £3. I really can't remember now, but I'm going to be leaving the price of this in the description box. So it's very good. It fits into those little hairs and does the job effortlessly. I would recommend this, and it's quite affordable. Yeah, I like it. Wow. Okay. The only thing I don't like about it is because it has no spoolie. It's affordable. That's what matters. But even at that, it should have spoolie. I don't like when a brow pencil doesn't come with spoolie. The reason why it should be with a spoolie, in case you're in a public or you're somewhere and you just want to define your brows, you know, you need a spoolie. How are you going to do that without spoolie, you know? Anyways, guys, that brings us to the end of testing this Essence Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil, which I would recommend for a beginner, for anyone. It's very good. Thanks for watching, and I would love to see you on my next one. Bye, dolls!